Hello everybody, welcome back to Tencor Recipes. Today I am going to show you how I make yellow fried rice. Let's get started. For this recipe you would need cooked white rice. If you already have some leftover rice, you can use that. You would need anywhere from 6 to 8 cups of rice. You will also need 1 medium onion diced, 16-ounce peas and carrots, and 1 tablespoon curry powder. If you don't have curry powder, you can use turmeric. Let's start by heating our wok on a medium-high heat. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add your diced onion. Add a little bit of salt. And 1 tablespoon curry powder. Now add the peas and carrots. Let's saute the peas and carrots for a few minutes before adding in the rice. Personally, I do not like to add a lot of oil to my fried rice. So for me, this is perfect. But if you feel you need to add a little bit more oil, you can certainly do so. Now add the rice and combine everything. The yellow fried rice is now ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.